In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the perfect niche or the best niche you need to move into in order for you to get monetized faster on YouTube. Now, some of you might be wondering that what niche is actually the best for me to use. Alright, so stay till the end of this video, and by the end, I'm going to show you the niche you need to use in order for you to get monetized faster on YouTube. I'm sharing this with you guys because I started that 2 months ago and I am monetized using that same niche. So it is very fast in order for you to get monetized using that niche. Alright guys, so we're just going to get started. Alright, so what we are going to be doing is what most people actually do today, which is uploading trending news on YouTube. Now, everybody, in fact, you watching this video today, you must have come across some videos, some news on social media that, in fact, you did not just pause to watch, but you stay down to the end. So these are some of the ways people can also stay down to the end of your video on YouTube. So now, instead of being the viewers, it's time for you to now become the creators. Now, these are some of the things you're going to need in order for you to follow us throughout this tutorial and start your own YouTube channel on that niche. You will need your phone, you need CapCut, and then your internet. Alright, so guys, let's see what we need to do. First, on your phone, you are going to be moving over to your Instagram. You can use any social media of your choice depending on where the news is being uploaded. So all we just want to do is to get a news we are going to upload on YouTube. Do not worry about the copyright. We are going to deal with all of that. Alright, so this is what we'll do. Move over to your phone and then open your Instagram. So when you scroll through your Instagram and then you find a news or a topic you want to discuss about, all you have to do is to download it. Now, when you're downloading it, you don't need to download it from that social media, just as the way you can easily download from TikTok and Instagram. You need to copy the link and move over to a website I'm going to be telling you about to download it. Now, when you download it from that website, it is more better because you are not going to be having Instagram logo or the handle of that person that uploaded it on that social media account. Alright, so I have a topic I want to discuss about. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to copy the link and move over to snapsave.io to download it. Alright, so all you just need is to copy the link. Alright, then after I've copied the link, I'll move over to my Snapsave on my Google Chrome. So on Snapsave there, you can download Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and any social media videos using this. All you have to do is to click on this top icon here and then you select which one you want to download from. So I want to download video via Instagram. Then I'll copy the link and paste it here. Then I click on my download. So it's just going to take some time for us to download it. Alright. While the video is downloading, you might be thinking, if I should upload this video down to when I get monetized, will I be demonetized? No, you won't be demonetized. Now, I have a tutorial where I discussed about how you can monetize a demonetized channel if you have started this niche already and then along the line you got demonetized after being monetized on YouTube. You can do it to check out the video at the end of this tutorial. I'm going to be dropping the video there. Alright, so we are just going to proceed. After you've downloaded it, now we are going to move over to our CapCut. Our CapCut is where we are going to be doing all of the joining and the editing. Alright, so on my CapCut, this is the video I have here. This is the video. I'm sure most of you must have watched this before on Instagram or somewhere. This is the video I actually want to edit and upload on my YouTube. In fact, so many people really want to watch this and understand what is really going on. So now, you need to also be sure of the video you are going to be discussing about. It is very, very important so as you don't share false information to people. Alright. So we are going to scroll through this. Alright, so first thing first we need to do here is to work on the sizing. So to work on the sizing on your CapCut, you move over to your aspect ratio here and then change it to YouTube size. This is it. So we are going to be expanding this like this. Good. So that it will be YouTube size. Alright, so then you can just scroll through this down to the end and make sure that it's actually showing everybody very well. So I'm just going to scroll through all of this. Alright, so here I'm going to be doing a splitting here so that it can actually show. So all the purpose of this is just for us to be able to allow every single thing or every detail we need here to show properly. So I'm just going to open this up a little. so that it can show this. Alright, so that is all for that video there. So when you are done arranging this properly, what you also need to be sure of next is you need to be sure that the video you are trying to create, like I said earlier, is a video that you know about, so that whenever you're doing your voiceover, because that's what we are going to be doing on this video, so as to make YouTube accept this when we get monetized on YouTube in the next coming months. Alright, so I just need to be sure of this, and then what I can now go ahead to do next is now my voiceover. So in order for me to get my voiceover, I'll move on to my audio, and then I'll find record right here. I could just tap and hold my record for me to record this, to say whatever I want to say concerning this video. Alright guys, so I'm just going to do this right away and I will get back to you. Alright, so I have actually done my voiceover on this. Now if you look at this, this is my voiceover here. This is my voiceover down to this part. Yes, this is where my voiceover stopped. So now from here, I'm going to make a split. Now, my voiceover is at the beginning of this video because I want it to be there from the beginning. And then from here, I'm now going to start the video. Now, my voiceover, what I said there is a little about what happened in the video. And then I added some other things like, what do you think would happen and all of that. Then I did not just end there, and I'll say, okay, you guys should sit tight and enjoy the video on what happened in there. Alright, so now from here where I ended this, I'm now going to delete the previous one. You see now that this is actually going to help us for us to make our video longer than a minute. So this part now is just explaining to them what happened in the video, and then from here, from the end here, I'm going to add the video again. Now, when I add the video, this is now where they are going to watch it, starting afresh till the end. Alright, so I'm just going to expand this again, and I'll arrange this here. So when you're actually done with all of that, and you should also make sure that all of this is being edited properly, in the sense that whatever clip you want your audience to see, you need to make sure that you open it very well so that they can be able to see it in the video. Alright, so I'm actually done with my video. So note that anytime you are trying to edit a video and you really need to add a music to it, what you need to do is for you to go to YouTube Studio and download the music from there. So I'm going to be dropping the link to YouTube Studio library where you can download such music in the description. So this is just all, and then what you can do next now is you can go ahead to export this video and upload straight on your YouTube. So this is just the best way you can get a video, edit it and upload on your YouTube. Alright guys, so that will be all for today, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification, and if you have any question, I'd like you to drop it in the comment section. Alright guys, for now we are done, and in our next video we are going to see how we can monetize a demonetized YouTube channel. Now most of you must have started this even before now, but for you to get monetized back again after you demonetize is an issue. So in that video I'm going to help you see how we can solve that problem. Alright, see you in the next video.